Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today I am going to draw a combinational set, one of the important drawing so that we can do very neatly. Draw with a procedure. Draw one straight line. After that take one more line parallel and take 45-degree, and this is a combinational set so that it will come like this. Again draw same procedure. Combinational set they will give in the examination. This is one of the important drawing. After that here one more angle, it will come like this. This is a threading part. It will come like this. After that join this line. This will be a 45-degree and this will be the circle will join like this. This is the spirit level. This is the spirit level. This is one of the square head. After that draw one parallel horizontal line like this. After that draw one circle. After that draw one circle. After that protractor will be 180-degree. The protractor will be the 180-degree so that you can take like this. After that draw one more circle like this. So cut this part and cut this part. So the protractor will join like this. The circle it will cut like this. After that here one more thread will come like this. And this will be the spirit level. The drawing will be little bit difficult, but if you make practice it will come very neatly. In examination they will give the marks for this. After that cut one circle like this. So the thread will join here. After that, this will be 60, 70, 80. Again, draw this line. So this will be the combinational set. So after that, here one more, it will come like this circle, and join this line and join this line and make a center point. Keep the middle point 40-45 degree, 40 and 45 degree. So this line will join here. This is the center head. So this will be the 45 degree. This will be the screw which has been locked, so that it will be a 45 degree, and make line like this and join this line. This will be like this, taper a little bit and join this line and join this line. So it will be the 45 degree. This is the center head, this is the protractor, this is the square head, this is a spirit level, this is also a spirit level. This is used to change 45 degree angles. So here one more clamp will come, which is used for the tightening purpose. After that, which can be used three type of this thing. So here the scale will come. This is the scale. It will join upper little bit. This middle point will join here, and this middle point will join here, and this middle point will join here. So this is the combinational set, which is has been 3. If you like this video, please share to your friends. It is a more important drawing. Now I am going to draw a steel rule, which is here 10, 20, 30, keep on going 50, 60, 100, 110, 120, 140, keep on going 150, 160, here 200. So it keep on going. Here also its scale will come. So the scale will come like this. This is a combinational set. Mentioning the parts. Protractor. This is a protractor. This is a rule. This is a clamp. Here one more it will come. Scriber, clamp, and this will be the spirit level. Spirit level. Then this will be the clamp. Here it is 45 degree. This surrounding will be 90 degree. 45 plus 45 and 90 degree. This is the center head. This is the clamp. This is the spirit level. After that, do shading. The drawing will come very neatly. If you like this video, please share to your friends. This is one of the very important drawing. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you. If you like this video, please share to your friends and put comments. Thank you for watching.